During the House Committee on Appropriations hearing, the Department of Health officials informed the public that there is sufficient money to produce vaccines against new COVID-19 variants. Lawmakers encouraged the DOH to clarify its funding allocation to ensure a timely response to growing health hazards. Details from Vanessa Cleophas' report.
Several officials of the Department of Health stated that their agency has sufficient funds to purchase vaccines against the new variant of COVID-19. In an oversight hearing by the House Committee on Appropriation, Makati City 2nd District Representative Stella Kimbo asked officials from the DOH about the circulating news regarding the alleged lack of funds for vaccine procurement. Kimbo pointed out that in the past and present years, the department's spending of their budget has been slow.
Pakabagal po ng gastos po ng DOH, hindi lang sa taon na to, kundi sa previous years. Nagulat lang ako kasi kaninang umaga pagising ko, ang laki po na headline sa Inquirer na wala pong budget para sa bagong variant ng COVID. Parang nakakagulat dahil sa dami ng pera natin at kayo po, I believe Yusek Bravo ay nanggaling sa DBM. Klaro naman po na maraming pwedeng pagkunan ng pondo. Tama po?
Madam, that's correct.
Kasi meron tayong, halimbawa, may Quick Response Fund.
The lawmakers further emphasized that many funding sources within the DOH could be utilized for situations like purchasing vaccines against new variant of COVID-19 or any emerging diseases in the country. She urged the Health Department for clarification to be provided to the public regarding the budget allocated for such circumstances to alleviate concern that the government might not promptly address these issues.
Palpak naman ng Kongreso na hindi natin ginagawa ng paraan. Kapag nag-a-approve ng budget, ay hindi tayo gumagawa ng contingencies para sa ganitong pangyayari. So, pakilinaw lang po na just in case ang DOH ay mag-decide na kakailanganin po natin na magpabakuna, whatever it is, whether it's pertussis, whether it's for a new COVID variant. Pakilinaw lang po, napakaraming pondo. At kahit na walang line item na specific, ay pwede pong mag-realign, pwedeng gumamit ng QRF at other items. Pwede rin pong, kung kinakailangan, mag-request sa DBM. Tama po?
Madam Chair, you're correct.
Okay
So
po.
what we will do is that you are correct that we have so many funds at DOH, even from the CONAP in 2020. If there's a need to provide something for the emerging COVID variant, we can always make some modifications within our budget.
O, isa pa po, yung 2022, CONAP, mag-e-expire na po, di ba?
House Deputy Majority Leader and Iloilo 1st District Representative Janet Garin said if the DOH had funds, they should be preparing medicines for diseases related to COVID. On the other hand, Health Assistant Secretary Albert Francis Domingo denied the headlines, claiming that there are no funds for the new variant of COVID.
Kung ano yung mga KP2, KP3 variants. Nakamonitor rin po tayo sa ating bed occupancy. Mild po siya. Pero tama po si Dr. Garin na ang mga doktor hindi tayo nag-aantay na may pumutok na emergency.
Meanwhile, the Department of Health is currently monitoring the new variants of COVID-19, specifically KP.1 and KP.2, also known as the flirt variants. This is Vanessa Cleophas for EuroTV News.